Hello everyone, welcome back to Lulu Chinese. Today we're going to learn 20 useful phrases in Chinese, and it's absolutely for beginners, especially those travelers or beginners who just learned Chinese Mandarin, and it's no reading ability required. Okay, now let's get started. The first group, greetings and politeness. 你好,你好, which is hello. This word is used for greeting with somebody, whether he is a friend or a person you just meet. 谢谢, which means thank you. This word is used to express your appreciation. 不客气, which means you're welcome. This phrase is used to respond somebody's thank you. When other people say thank you to you, you can always respond with 不客气,不客气,对不起, which means sorry. This word is used to apologize for something you have done. 对不起,没关系, which means that's okay or that's alright. This phrase is used to respond somebody's sorry. If someone say sorry to you, you can respond with 没关系. The second group, basic communication. 是 or 不是. Yes or no. These words are used to respond somebody's yes or no question. For example, are you a teacher? 你是老师吗? If you are a teacher, you can respond with 是 yes. If you are not a teacher, you can respond with 不是 no. 是 yes. 不是 no. 请问 which means may I ask? This phrase is used to ask some questions politely. For example, may I ask where is the bus station? 请问车站在哪里? 我不懂 which means I don't understand. 我不懂 When Chinese people say something to you, if you don't understand, you can tell them 我不懂 which means I don't understand. 请再说一遍请再说一遍 which means could you repeat again? This phrase is used to ask somebody to repeat what they have said. If you cannot catch what the Chinese people say, you could definitely ask them to 请再说一遍请再说一遍再见 which means goodbye. The third group, self-introduction. 我叫 which means my name is. If it's your first time to introduce yourself, you could definitely use this phrase. For example, 我叫露露 That means my name is 露露我是 which means I am. This phrase is also used to introduce yourself, especially introduce your job or your identity. For example, 我是老师 I am a teacher. 你叫什么名字你叫什么名字 which means what's your name? Of course, if you want to know somebody's name, you could definitely ask this question. 你叫什么名字很高兴认识你很高兴认识你 which means nice to meet you. And it's normally used in a conversation to show your happiness when you meet somebody. 很高兴认识你 The last group, daily survival conversation. 多少钱 which means how much is it? When you buy something, you definitely want to ask how much is it, right? 多少钱我要这个 which means I want this one. 我要那个 which means I want that one. If you buy something and you don't know how to say that, you can definitely point the thing that you want to buy. I want this one. 我要这个 I want that one. 我要那个 This 这个 That 那个便宜一点可以吗便宜一点可以吗 which means can it be cheaper? When you buy something, if you want to bargain with the vendor, this is a phrase you must learn. Of course, we want to use less money to buy good quality things. 在哪里? Which means where is it? This is a phrase you can use to ask people, where is it? For example, 厕所在哪里? Where is the toilet? 医院在哪里? Where is the hospital? If you get lost and you want to ask Chinese people where is the place, you could definitely use this phrase. 请帮我一下. 请帮我一下, which means please help me. If you're in China and you meet some problems, you want to ask for help, this phrase definitely can help you a lot. 请帮我一下. 不要辣, which means no spicy. If you cannot eat spicy food, you can just tell the staff of the restaurant, 不要辣. So tell me, can you eat spicy food? And leave your comment below my video. I will see you in my next lesson. Bye!